A large square has a perimeter of 48 centimeters. Now imagine this square is divided perfectly into 4 identical rectangles. Same size, same shape, no gaps. Here's the puzzle. What is the perimeter of one of these smaller rectangles? It looks simple, but the moment you start visualizing the cuts, the dimensions get interesting. If you know the answer, put it in the comment. Hit like and follow for more interesting maths problems. Let's solve it step by step. A square with perimeter 48 centimeters means each side is 12 centimeters. So the big square is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Now, dividing a square into 4 identical rectangles can only happen in 2 ways. 2 vertical cuts gives 4 tall rectangles. 2 horizontal cuts gives 4 wide rectangles. Either way, each rectangle must cover 1/4 of the area. The only dimensions that fit inside a 12-12 square and multiply to 36 are 12 centimeters time 3 centimeters. So each smaller rectangle is 12 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Perimeter of one rectangle is therefore 12 plus 3, then time 2, equal to 30 centimeters. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe.